Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my day. I am a housewife, and today I will show you my daily routine. It's a simple life, but it's full of love. The first sound I hear every morning is my alarm clock. It rings at 6 o'clock. Time to wake up. I get out of bed, stretch my arms, and go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water and brush my teeth. This helps me feel awake and ready for the day. After that, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes at home. Now, it's time to go to the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of our home. First, I make coffee for my husband and me. The smell of coffee fills the air. It's a wonderful smell to start the day. While the coffee is brewing, I start making breakfast for my family. My children love pancakes, so I often make pancakes. I mix the flour, eggs, and milk in a big bowl. Then I pour the batter onto a hot pan. 1 pancake, 2 pancakes, 3 pancakes. I also cut some fresh fruit, like strawberries and bananas, to go with them. A healthy breakfast gives us energy for the whole day. At 7 o'clock, it's time to wake up the children. I go to their rooms and say, "Good morning, sleepyheads. Time for school." They are usually still very sleepy. I help my younger son get dressed, while my older daughter can dress herself. They come to the kitchen for breakfast. We all sit together at the table. We talk about our plans for the day. My daughter has a math test, and my son has a soccer game after school. I wish them good luck. Family breakfast is a very special time for us. After breakfast, the kids brush their teeth and pack their school bags. Do you have your homework? Do you have your lunchbox? I always ask. I check their bags to make sure they have everything they need. My husband leaves for work, and I walk the children to the school bus stop. We wait for the big yellow bus. When it arrives, I give them a hug and a kiss. "Have a great day. I love you," I say. I watch the bus go down the street until I can't see it anymore. Now, the house is quiet. It's time for my mid-morning chores. I go back inside and start cleaning up. First, I clear the breakfast table. I take all the dirty plates, cups, and forks to the sink. Then I wash the dishes. I use warm water and soap. I like to see the clean, shiny dishes in the drying rack. After washing the dishes, I wipe the table and the kitchen counters. A clean kitchen makes me happy. Next on my list is laundry. With 2 active children, there is always a lot of laundry to do. I collect all the dirty clothes from the laundry basket. I separate the white clothes from the colored clothes. I put a load of laundry into the washing machine, add some detergent, and press the start button. The machine starts to whir and spin. While the clothes are washing, I do some other tasks. I make the beds in every room. A nicely made bed makes a room look so much tidier. Then I grab the vacuum cleaner. I vacuum the carpets in the living room and bedrooms to get rid of dust and crumbs. Around 10 o'clock, I usually go grocery shopping. I make a list before I leave so I don't forget anything. Today I need bread, milk, eggs, vegetables, and chicken for dinner. I take my reusable bags and drive to the supermarket. The supermarket is always busy. I walk up and down the aisles, putting items into my cart. I look for fresh vegetables. Choose some red tomatoes, green broccoli, and orange carrots. I also buy some apples and oranges for snacks. After I have everything on my list, I go to the checkout. I pay for the groceries and then head back home. When I get home, I put away all the groceries. I put the milk and chicken in the refrigerator. I put the bread and cereal in the pantry. By now, the first load of laundry is finished. I take the wet clothes out of the washing machine and hang them on the clothesline in the backyard to dry in the sun. If it's raining, I use the dryer inside. Then I put another load of laundry in. It's almost noon. I start to feel a little hungry. It's time to prepare lunch for myself. I usually have something simple, like a sandwich or a salad. Today, I'll make a chicken salad. I use some of the fresh lettuce and tomatoes I just bought. I add some grilled chicken from last night's dinner. A light and healthy lunch gives me a little boost of energy for the afternoon. After lunch, I finally have a moment for myself. This is my quiet time. I sit on my favorite armchair in the living room with a cup of tea. Sometimes I read a book, and sometimes I watch a short show on TV. Today, I think I will read a few chapters of my book. It's a story about a woman traveling the world. Reading helps me relax and escape for a little while. This short break is very important. It helps me recharge my batteries before the kids come home from school. At 3 o'clock, I hear the sound of the school bus again. I go outside to meet my children. They are so excited to see me. They run towards me and give me a big hug. How was your day? I ask. They tell me all about school. My daughter did well on her math test, and my son scored a goal in his soccer game. I am so proud of them. They are usually hungry after school, so I give them a snack. Today they have apples and a small cookie. While they eat, they tell me more stories about their friends and teachers. I love listening to their stories. After their snack, it's homework time. I sit with them at the kitchen table. I help my son with his reading, and I check my daughter's math problems. It's important to me that they do well in school. Sometimes homework can be difficult, but we work through it together. Once homework is done, it's time to start thinking about dinner. Dinner is our main meal of the day. Tonight, I'm making roasted chicken with vegetables. I preheat the oven. I wash the carrots, potatoes, and broccoli. I chop them into small pieces and put them on a baking tray with the chicken. I add some herbs and olive oil. Then, I put the tray in the oven. The house starts to smell delicious. While dinner is cooking, I set the table. I put out plates, forks, knives, and glasses. Around 6:30, my husband comes home from work. "Hello, honey, I'm home," he calls out. The kids run to give him a hug. We all sit down for dinner together. This is my favorite part of the day. We share our food and talk about everything. I ask my husband about his day at work. We laugh and share stories. Family dinners are so important for connecting with each other. After dinner, everyone helps to clean up. My husband helps me with the dishes, and the kids clear the table. Many hands make light work. When the kitchen is clean again, we have some free time to relax. We often watch a family movie together in the living room. We get comfortable on the sofa with a warm blanket. Other nights, we might play a board game. Tonight, we are watching a funny animated movie. It's so nice to laugh together. At 8:30, it's bedtime for the children. They change into their pajamas and brush their teeth. I go to their rooms to say goodnight. I read a bedtime story to my son. He loves adventure stories. Then I tuck him into bed and give him a kiss. Sweet dreams, I say. Then I go to my daughter's room. We talk for a few minutes about her day. I give her a hug and a kiss goodnight. Finally, the house is quiet again. My husband and I have some time for ourselves. We might watch a TV show or just sit and talk. Tonight, we decide to just sit on the porch and look at the stars. It's a clear night. We talk about our day and our plans for the weekend. Around 10 o'clock, I start to feel tired. It has been a long and busy day. I go to the bathroom to wash my face and change into my pajamas. I get into bed and think about the day. It was full of chores and tasks, but it was also full of happy moments. The smell of morning coffee, my children's laughter, a shared family meal. Being a housewife is a lot of work, but it's also very rewarding. I feel happy and content. I close my eyes, ready for a good night's sleep, and ready to do it all again tomorrow. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing my routine. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you next time.